What is going on YouTube? This is Doc Miaz back at you one more time. So today I will finally reveal the PC build. All of you guys that know me on Twitch, you guys know it's been a long time coming. It's been a crazy journey. The PC is finally done.
This is a Doc Miaz.
It's on and popping. I'm about to show you guys. Thank you guys so much. This PC was 100% funded by my beautiful, awesome, wonderful Twitch community, Team Doc Miaz, you know what I'm saying? Once again, shout out to you guys. Much love to Cable Mod for sending out those cables, making it look oh so awesome, Also, shout out to MSI, sending out a couple of extra parts to spice things up just a little bit. I like that. So yeah, let's just get right into it, right after this.
Get him, Doc. Get him, Doc. Get him, Doc. Get him, Doc. Get him.
All right, let's get it. We are back, YouTube. What is going on? So, we're gonna test out a little bit of frame rates right here. My resolution is set to 4K. All right, gaming in 4K for this test in 4K. You can see the frame rates to the top right. You know, the game's loading up. Check out the frame rate and all that. Once again, shout out to all you guys. You know what I'm saying? Repping that Team Doc Miaz. I appreciate you coming through on Twitch, hanging out with me while I game and do all the things and stuff. All right, so after a little overclocking, if you look to the top right, things are acting a little bit different with the frames. I expected to only get 60 since I'm in 4K, but looks like it's a little bit above that. It doesn't really drop past, like, I would say, I don't know, 90-ish. And yeah, this is my go-to game right here. I of course fly a lot better than this while I'm playing, but for test purposes, you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna go into an empty server and act all wild and fly into the clouds. 170-ish and climbing, 171 right there. Yeah, earlier it was like 174, you know, but anyways, enough of that. Let's get into the light show. Introducing my PC build by the name of Grease. Let's go, baby. So once again, this PC build was 100% funded by my beautiful Twitch community, man. Shout out to you guys. Also, shout out to MSI for providing a couple of heatsink plates. Like, as you can see above the AIO with my GIF, however you want to pronounce it, it says X299. That's originally black. And then on the bottom left of my GPU, there's another heatsink shield that is also like a blackish carbon color. They shipped out some of those plates to me. I appreciate you guys, man. Shout out to Cable Mod, man. Look at that. Cable Mod, your cables are something else, because the ones that came with it were cool. But hey, these are nice. And all of this is sitting in a beautiful Corsair 570X tempered glass case. It is glass on all sides, of course, except for the back where you plug in your things and stuff. It's glass up top, and it is also glass on the other side. So yes, your cable management has to be somewhat on point and up to par. This is actually my first PC build. And what I did is I woke up my son early on Saturday morning. I was like, yo, let's build this PC. And it was my first time building. I've worked on many PCs, but I haven't actually built one for myself. So this was my first build. I figured, you know, why not build for the first time with my son, make it a father-son thing so he can learn while I learn, and man, we knocked it out in a few hours. This case is a very, very easy case to build on. Very simple, you know. As soon as I stopped watching the YouTube tutorials, it went by a lot faster. You know, it's just Legos, man. But anywho, you see that cable to the bottom right, the little black cable that's actually attached to the Corsair light fixture on the bottom. Quick little update, that cable isn't visible anymore. I actually routed that kind of like a small part underneath the case, and then out through the back, and then back in through the other side of the power supply. So yeah, cannot see that cable anymore. Not a huge difference, you know, but you know, when you're building, you kind of want everything to look as nice as possible. I can't believe that you guys showed this much love, and look, I mean, wow, guys. So thank you guys so much, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. The lights, my camera doesn't really do justice to these lights. These lights are super bright, and they look a little bit different on camera. They're not as clear as they would be if you were looking at them in person. As far as my AIO, as you can see the GIF, you see those lines, right? Those lines aren't actually there when you're looking at it, but on camera it picks it up, so what can you do, you know? Also, shout out to GoFanco as well, because the dual PC setup that I'll be running, one PC for streaming, this one for gaming, you guys made it possible so that I can still, you know, game on PC, stream on my gaming PC, stream on my my Xbox without having to unplug and plug this back in. You know, everything's provided through the HDMI switch and the HDMI splitter and the GoFanco Prophecy capture card. So shout out to you guys as well. I appreciate it, man. This is a very awesome build. I'm excited. You can tell in my voice. Super excited. It's pretty dope. So yeah, you guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video, tuning in. Hit the like if you like. If you don't, you know what to do. But hey, oh yeah. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looked like fresh after the build with the lights on. So links in the description to everything, my streaming schedule, everything that is in this PC, all of the parts, man. I will see you guys on the next one. You know what I mean? Much love. We out.